Hey guys, so now we're in Spoke, which is the 3D environment that helps build Mozilla Hubs models, and I'm just going to click upload on my. Oh, it's located here, and then because I've renamed my gltf file to a glb file, it shows up here, and I just have to click open. And it shall import it in right now. Depending on how big your file is, like it might take a while, or how good your internet connection is. So just bear that in mind, especially when it comes to like how many faces are on the meshes, etc. You guys bring in. So you'll see there you go. Hubstoday.glb is appearing there. I'm just going to click and drag onto the screen now, and there it is. And because I've modeled, like the 0 point is right in the middle of this, this flat box, it's really easy to navigate. And because we double checked how big our geometry was before we imported it in, it's very easy to navigate around as well. Again, like you've got your scale bar down here. You can like rotate things. Remember that Z has been swapped for Y in this context, like that. What might we also do? Alright, so if you want people to kind of be able to walk onto this plane or onto your geometry, whether like you're designing like a building or a staircase or a platform that you want people to walk up to, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go into floor plan, and floor plan essentially like creates a mesh above all your geometry, like by a certain amount that like is what you like the character or someone can navigate over. So I've got some settings in here that seem to be okay. I want to probably make that at 1.5, and I'm just going to click 1.5. I'm just click regenerate because I've imported some new geometry into the scene. I'm going to regenerate that floor plan, and hopefully it should like when it loads, hopefully it should generate nicely over this I guess this little flat box. Probably the orange ones are too high to walk over, for example, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so it's regenerated. It looks like it works. It looks like it works okay. Like it's probably not perfect, but it's probably good enough for what we're doing in this context, just to test. Again, like you have to play with this to make it, depending on what you're uploading. If you go to like elements as well, there's a bunch of other things you can look at putting in, like spawn points, like images. I'll let you like peruse the document I uploaded to, get more of an idea, but like this is just like hubs in like 5 minutes. So all that's left to do now is click publish to hubs, and now it'll like upload everything to the cloud, or hubs cloud, hubs test, and then you'll be away. So it'll probably start. Oh, no underscores, can't do that. There we go. Saving project. And sometimes depending on how much geometry you have, it'll take a little bit longer to upload, but that's something you can control in Rhino. So so I guess here we go. Yep, save and publish. Exporting scene. So I'll leave it there until I'll fast forward this in a minute, and we'll have a look around the scene. But remember to hit that like button if you enjoy this video. I try to keep it short, but again, there's only so much videos going to be so short when you try and make them so quickly. So I'll see you in a bit. See how all these values are low? That means that's good. It means it's going to load very quickly. If they are high, it's not the end of the world. It just might mean it'll take longer to like load. And you can see we're actually uploading like fairly quickly. Oh. Alright, so now we're in Hubs. We can create a room with this scene. Okay, I can enter room, enter on screen. You can have, if you've got a VR headset, you can use that. Alright, so we're in the scene. It may lag a little bit because I've got a lot of things going. But I guess here you are. It's like a video game. You walk around, etc., etc. It's pretty easy to pick up. And the big test is whether we can amble over this block. And we can, and there was no noticeable change. And there we go. So the whole process worked pretty flawlessly. I'll leave it there for now. I don't want you to watch a glitchy 2 frames per second in the bottom right there. Glitchy experience just because I've got Camtasia running as well. But we'll leave it there, guys. So I'll see you when I see you. Take it easy.